Ever wondered how to connect your JBL headphones to a PS5 in 2025? Whether you have a gaming ready model or just a standard pair, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, it's important to know that not all JBL headphones are fully compatible with the PS5. Models like the JBL Quantum series are designed for gaming and work seamlessly. But don't worry, if your headphones aren't officially supported, there are still easy ways to make them work. If your JBL headphones come with a USB wireless dongle, this is the simplest method. Plug the dongle into any USB port on your PS5, front or back, and the console should detect it automatically. Once recognized, head into your PS5 settings, go to Sound, then Audio Output, and select your JBL headphones from the list. From there, you can adjust volume levels and mic settings to suit your preference. Now, if your headphones are Bluetooth only or don't have a dongle, don't panic. You can still connect them using a 3.5mm audio cable. Simply plug one end into your headphones and the other into the headphone jack on your PS5 controller. Audio will route directly to your headset. Just note that using this method usually won't support the mic, but it's perfect for gaming or listening without delays. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can enjoy your favorite games on PS5 with crisp audio from your JBL headphones.